Dow Jones 30 continues to test the highs. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Dow Jones 30 has shown itself to be somewhat resilient, despite the fact that we're just more or less hanging around. Keep in mind that the Federal Reserve and the FOMC all, of course, come into the focus at the end of the session as market forces continue to wonder whether or not interest rates are going to drop. They probably should, but we also need to know how much of a cut and if we are going to continue to see cuts going forward. We should get some clarity by the end of the day, so short-term pullbacks should be buying opportunities, and therefore I think at this point we have to look at this through the prism of a market that had gotten far too ahead of itself and maybe needs a little bit of a short-term pullback in order to offer value. Sometimes you'll get that the day after the interest rate decision. Perhaps the market goes higher, and then the next day people start to think about things, take a little profit, it drops back a bit, and then they follow again. We're very much in an uptrend, and I don't see how that changes, especially if we do see easy money due to the fact that the Dow Jones 30 is chocked full of companies that will benefit from more loose monetary policy via construction and industrial demand, etc. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.